Darth Vader's helmet. Basically, Darth Vader from the new show Obiwan, obviously from Star Wars. So I want you to stick around. If you've never been able to draw the helmet from the front, I'm going to show you exactly step by step how to do it, okay? I'm going to take it from beginning all the way to the very end in 8 minutes, okay? So stay all the way to the very end of the video, and you're going to get a lot from it, and it'll be hopefully in your long-term memory if you watch the whole thing. So let's kind of jump right into the video right now, okay? Okay, let's go over here. I'm gonna draw Darth Vader, alright? I'm gonna keep it easy. So, first thing I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna draw almost like a small M, okay, for the top of his kind of lens area, or the top of his eyes. Alright. Now I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna pull down straight at an angle. That way, he's got to have that kind of hat thing going on. Same thing this way, okay? Right on. I'm going to pull a line down here on this side. For the side of his face. Going to go down here for the side of his face on this side. Down over here at an angle. Down over here at an angle. Alright. One more angle down on each side. Line across. Line across here for the bottom of the chin area. He's got a pretty square head. It's something that you kind of have to like look at and understand, but it's not really, it's cool because you can kind of change the shape of this stuff and you'll still be able to tell with Darth Vader. He's got a very recognizable silhouette, which is like a big deal. Now I'm gonna go over here, kind of in this angle. I'm gonna pull a line down straight for his neck. Go over here on this side right here, down over here straight for his neck, curve underneath. Right on. Gonna go over here to the top area, and I'm gonna pull another line right here, another straight line, same exact angle but above it, to give it some 3D effect. Right on. Down over here. Down over here, a little bit of an angle. And now I'm gonna pull a line connecting these two. It's gonna kind of curve, not much. See that? And now I'm gonna pretend I'm gonna catch it on the other side over here because it's supposed to be behind him, like so. Whew. Hit that like, by the way, if you like Darth Vader, if you like Star Wars, anything like that. Let me know. Alright, gonna go from here and I'm gonna draw a straight line up. Gonna change angles, is gonna go up for his temple. Gonna go over here on this side, go up the same way, the other side of his temple. And now I'm gonna curve for the top of his head, right? It's a curve over here, mostly straight, then curve over here. Down over here. Down over here. Alright, it's kind of a design toward the center of the helmet. Curve over here. Curve over here. For the eye. I'm going to throw another exact same curve right there because the eye has a dimension to it. another curve over here. Gonna take this, curve in, like for the bottom of the lens of the eye there, and then I'm gonna curve up. Curve up. Go underneath. Curve around the top here. Curve around the top here. Alright. Go to the front here. You're gonna draw like a what do you call it? Like a gravestone style shape right there, and then line across. It's gonna be kind of for the front nozzle of that, of like the nose. Gonna throw another one here, as close as you can. Before you do anything else, I'm gonna draw a circle on this side. On the bottom there, circle the bottom here. And I'm gonna draw a line kind of connecting to that circle. Same thing on this side. Alright. Draw another line in here. Another line in here. Then line across. And then line across here. Okay. So we're gonna draw lines down. He's gonna have a vent here. He's gonna have a vent, so I'm gonna draw a line here. Line down, up. Line down here, up. Line down here, like so. Just as many as you can get, as many rectangles as you can fit in that area. Line down, curve up, out. With the angles on his cheekbone, same thing. Almost like a box in his face. Doesn't really have to connect to anything, don't worry about it. And then we can curve out here, up. Curve out here, up. I guess you can connect it into this. It would be fine to do that. And then you can do one more to fit in there. He's got a really blocky face, so kind of doing that stuff will, you know, definitely kind of help out. And I'm gonna draw a U shape underneath his neck because it's gonna connect, right? Straight line here, diagonal. Line over here, line over here. And there you go. You have Darth Vader. Lord Vader. You know, at least the black and white version. Don't forget, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. I'm a huge Darth Vader fan. If you're a fan, let me know as well. Share the video with a friend. Sharing is caring. And that is it. Alright, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here, on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and it I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now, another short video.